Hello traders, today we are looking at the non-lag indicator available for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This tool displays color-coded dots that indicates trend direction with minimal lag and no repainting. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks like in real time. On the chart, the indicator places dots at each bar that are colored according to the detected trend direction. When the trend shifts, the dot color changes accordingly. The low lag design means these changes tend to occur relatively quickly compared to traditional trend indicators. Meanwhile, the non-repainting feature ensures that the dots you see on historical bars remain unchanged, giving you an accurate picture of how the indicator performed in the past. As you can see, blue dots for bullish trend and red dots for bearish trend. As we can see here, as you see on the chart, you can see how it changes color to indicate the change in trend direction. I will move over to its settings and come to its input. You can see the length or the period, which affects responsiveness and smoothness. And we also have the color options for the bullish and bearish dots. You can also adjust the dot size, among other variables. This indicator is suited for trend following traders who value non-repainting indicators. While the indicator does not repaint, it can still produce false trend signals during ranging or choppy conditions. It's best to use additional analysis to confirm the trend readings before placing a trade. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.